We got the updated list of what has signal strength, and
Yeah.
went from 66 to 77, but
Yeah.
18 new tickers.
Woo-hoo.
So, and you know, a lot of those were Fernando's energy stocks that kind of gained signal strength, but also a lot of growthy stocks too.
Yeah.
So we're seeing it from an ETF perspective, and then also an individual stock perspective.
Yeah, what was it? The week before it was, I can tell you, I wrote it down. The week before, I think we were at 69 longs.
66.
Oh, 66. Okay, so on signal strength equals 77 longs now. This is the longs, okay? Longs. This is if I'm running my hedge fund, and now that we have asset management products, thank you for joining hedgeyeassetmanagement.com, hedgeyeam.com. Yeah, you'll see that we're putting these together in the portfolios. Okay, so again, these are signal strength longs. These would be the only ones that I would have in the portfolio. Now, somebody can beg to differ. It's totally cool. It's an opinion, though. This is a mathematical fact. There are 77 stocks, and to Coop's point, look at what found its way in there last week. Look at the news on that today. Stock's up like 6, 7, 8, 9%. The signal figured it out. Why? This signal strength thing is based on PVV. This is my calculation. And what happened on the volume was that the rate of change was going up alongside the price and the volatility going. Price is going up, volume going up, volatility going down. That was ROKU. So it gets added. It front ran inside information. People knew. If you don't know why do you think I built the signal this way? 1, I don't want to go to jail. 2, I want to front run people that are going to go to jail. Okay? That's nice. We did it against Sam Bankman-Fried. ROKU found its way in there. So did a former short, MTDR, Matador. Former long that went to bearish trend, now is back to bullish trend. These are 2 Fernando names. Diamondback Energy and Matador. Okay? MTDR. So again, the ballast of names that got added were inflation names, but there were some growth names, okay? And inflation and growth work in what quad? Quad 3, okay? So again, they also work in quad 2. But again, when you look at that kind of a setup, it shouldn't surprise anybody if you look at the quad 3 setup for the quarterly. Now what happens here, Coop, is that I go like, okay, I'm positioned for quad 2. It could be a quad 4 on Friday, and we're going to be a quad 3 for Q3. They can't handle it, some people. They want it to be simpler. What I find is that people totally get it if they're perfectly positioned for it, right? It's when it's moving around a little bit where they want that certainty back. And again, that's a disease of the mind. The need for certainty in a world where you're not going to get a heck of a lot of it. Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.